Hi everyone, this is Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack, and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. Today I'm looking at how you can get your Mac users set up so they can collaborate with your team. We have the Mac client available, which is a very easy way to get them connected to your team folders. So what I'm going to do is quickly demonstrate how to set that up. So here I am in the web portal as a tenant admin. And I've created a user, and this is the credentials that the Mac user will be using to log in to the web portal so they can download their client software. Now, as a tenant admin, when I pull down my user icon here, I don't see the option to download any app, but all of your users will have that option once they log in. So now I'm going to move over to the Mac and demonstrate that functionality. Okay, so here I am on my Macintosh, and what I want to do is install the Mac client. Now that user just needs to log in using the web portal, and that will give the Mac user an opportunity to download the Mac client. So I'll go into Safari and I will log into my web portal using the credentials that were supplied by my tenant administrator. Okay, so I'll save that. Here I am. Now I can see this folder for everyone that my tenant created for me. I'm going to go ahead and check my credentials, make sure that I can actually modify files in this folder. I can, as you can see. So now I'm just going to go up to the user icon and I'll download the appropriate client for my Macintosh. Okay, so it's downloaded. This is very fast, by the way. So I just double click this. I'll get this out of the way. So there's the Cloud Drive installer. I'll just double click that and then just follow the instructions to complete the installation of the Mac client. The installation was successful. So I'm not going to need this again, so I'll go ahead and move the installer to the trash. And there in my applications folder is the Cloud Drive. So I'll double click that. Now I've opened this before on this machine, but I'm going to go up to my icon up here and exit so that I can just double check the credentials, make sure they're the ones I'm expecting, and they are. Okay, so now you can see all the folders that I have access to from the web portal. There's the file, and I'm going to go ahead and open this file so that I can edit it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK to save this file change. And there it is. You can see it in the preview. That's my edit. And that's pretty much all there is to installing the Mac client so that you can get access to the team folders and start collaborating with your teammates. Now I'm going to jump into the web portal from a Windows machine to show you the edits from the other side. Okay, so now that user has installed their client and they've edited a file or two in the Mac in the Cloud Drive. And so now I'm going to log in as that user from another machine from a web portal so that you could see how that looks from the other side. Here I am, Mac user. We'll sign in. Here's the everyone share, and here is the document that Mac user edited. Okay. So as you can see, it's really easy for your Macintosh users to collaborate with your Windows users using our client. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.